Hi everyone, just wanted to say hello, and just in case you were wondering what we'd been up to all winter, we're on lockdown and Sea Pigeon is locked up in the canal. We are just waiting, really, we're just waiting for the spring, not far away now. Everybody's the same. It's oh so quiet. But there's worse places to be. This is beautiful South Devon.
Over the winter we've done lots of jobs, including a complete new control panel. We've done lots of cleaning, lots of varnishing, toilet servicing, but what a horrible video to do, so we thought instead we'd show you the beauty around us. This makes for a much nicer video.
These guys have stayed out in the river all winter. At low tide, we see all kinds of bird life around here. It's an important sanctuary for migrating birds and a twitcher's paradise. It's lovely to see the birds coming back for the summer. So here's the lock, and here's a model Neil made of it. 3D model. Isn't he clever? Welcome back, birdies. Well, winter's nearly over, and Sea Pigeon is waiting with her friends to get out at sea again. Only another few weeks. This is the Vagabond, a famous vessel from blogging in her own right. It's fresh water, so it keeps really nice. Isn't the loch lovely from above? This beautiful boat here is Helena, hand built by the owner. 15 years it took him. Neil's 3D model. There it is. Isn't that clever? Can you tell the difference to the real thing? There's the real thing.